Hey guys, Becky Timms from Goose Creek, South Carolina, and I wanted to shoot a video today about a product that I received several weeks ago. So the product is Cherish Sanitary Napkins, and look, here's one I took out. It's super thin. I received these about 2 weeks ago, and I was not on my period, so I wanted to wait until last week when I was on my period and try them out to give an honest review. So the first thing that I realized is it's super thin. The first layer is cotton and it's super soft, so you don't even feel like you have a sanitary napkin on, which is very important to me because I'm a tampon girl. But secondly, the second layer in this item is a negative ion strip. Now, this is super important to me because I'm a scientist, and without getting too techy, negative ions are just an oxygen atom with an extra electron. So some of the health benefits of negative ions are they're very calming. I mean, if you go to the beach, they're usually produced out in nature, and that calming effect when you get in the beach, that's exactly what negative ions can do. Some other health benefits that negative ions are known for is to reduce odor, which these actually do, help with pH control, just a very calming effect. So I had these out on my desk because I wanted to do a review, and my son Carson was like, "Mom, what are these?" And I said, "Hey, these are sanitary napkins." And he said, "Are you on your period?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "Well, you're not mean." And I was like, "Oh, so have I been mean before?" So anyway, I thought that was quite funny. But so I'm not mean this week either, and I just wanted to shoot this video. And another thing about the negative ion strip is when you use it for the first few minutes, it causes a little tingle, and you might could sell that sensation too. I don't know, but it's definitely something that was a little unusual, but it was comfortable after a while. And then the other thing that I guess I'm super excited about, because I'm a scientist and an environmentalist, on the package itself, it says, "Bag it and trash it, don't flush it." And I actually work in the water and wastewater industry, and this is huge for me because there's only three things that you should flush: pee, poop, and paper. And I want you to dispose of these properly, because if you don't, it will clog pipes and pumps at wastewater treatment systems. And the last thing that I want to say is they are super absorbent. When I first watched a video on these, it like soaked up all the water, and then soaked up all the water from competing brands, and it's amazing, and it works that way as well too. So super thin, you can't even feel that you have it on. Super dry, you feel super dry, super absorbent, you get that tingling sensation. You want to properly dispose of it, and I would highly recommend that you get back to the person that showed you this video so that you can get your hands on some of these, and you're going to love the way you feel.